from Steering Wheel Restoration. Here we have a quite unusual wheel fitted to a Triumph. Now this is a Triumph that was built for Le Mans and never raced, and it went through all the development, and the car was built in Italy with an Italian body with a Triumph engine. And this is probably an Italian steering wheel, very similar to an Alfa Romeo, but you can see it's got multiple cracking and it's been repaired before, bits of tape, screws through the plastic work trying to hold it on here. But we're going to rectify this just for moulding purposes, and then create a mould and recast the plastic. But that's a Triumph Le Mans car.